Gentlemen, welcome back to the shop. Today I quickly want to show you my latest project, that being this custom cedar bed frame. Now the first thing to do is to answer the question of why did I need a custom cedar bed frame? Well, the current mattress I use in my bedroom is of course a twin size, but that mattress is bigger than I need, and because my bedroom's so small, it's too big for the bedroom. So what I decided to do is to cut that mattress down to the next smallest size. I've seen them referred to as a small single or a camper mattress or an RV mattress, something like that. And that mattress, instead of being a 38 by 75 like a twin, is actually a 30 by 75. And 8 inches doesn't sound like a lot. It's certainly not going to impact my sleep at all, but it will make a noticeable difference in the floor plan of my bedroom. Now, of course, deciding to move to a smaller mattress, I need a bed frame to accommodate that. Now, fundamentally, there are 3 reasons why I decided to build it myself. The first reason is that you can't easily find bed frames for that size of mattress because, of course, the most common small mattress is a twin-size mattress. The next reason is, well, I'm just tired of crap. I could presumably find somewhere like an IKEA offering or something like that where it's just cheap and made out of MDF. But there are problems with that, and it extends to more than just bed frames. You know, if they get wet, single drop of water, they're trashed basically because they're MDF. MDF can't handle water. Even just through regular wear and tear, they wear out quickly because they're just not durable. And also, even if you treat them well and they last, you still don't feel very good about it at the end of the day because ultimately it's not a quality product. It's just made to look good when it comes out the box for a while and to be sold at the cheapest possible price. I've been there, I've done that, I'm tired of that. I want furniture that'll last generations. I want my furniture to outlast me, fundamentally. So that was another reason why I decided to build it, is to ensure that it would do that. And the third and final reason is, of course, I just like building things. Ultimately, if you can literally make your own bed and then lie in it, why not? So that's exactly what I did. Now, as simple as this is, and you will see, truly, it really is quite simple, I'm very pleased with the results. I just want to say that up front. This turned out surprisingly well. In any case, how it's built is we have 4 posts, 4 beams, and decking. So the beams are made out of deck boards, and on the backs of the deck boards, flush to the bottom, there are 2x4s. So essentially, you can kind of see in there's a 2x4, and that's glued to this board here. Now those beams are secured to the corner posts via 5/16 by 6 inch lag bolts. And of course those go through the post into the beam. You can see that the bolts aren't at the same elevation because of course if they were, they would intersect. These 2 go into the 2x4 on the back of this, and these 2, well, one of them kind of goes into this board and the other kind of goes into the 2x4. Now, aside from that, that forms the major structure of the bed frame. But then there is the decking, and that of course is the cedar deck boards again. But this time they are, of course there's a 1/8 inch gap all around here, but they're screwed into the beams of the bed frame using these GRK trim screws. I'm really happy with these because they have the star bit, so they don't strip out, and they also have the small head, so as you can see they kind of suck into the wood fairly nicely, certainly better than a normal construction screw. Now of course it's not just bare cedar, it's also finished with in this case you can see I applied a little too much here, but it's finished with a oil-based clear satin urethane finish, and I'm really pleased with it. With a little bit of sanding, it's turned out very smooth. It's not shiny at all. And as simple as this is, I'm extremely pleased with the results. It's actually not that heavy, maybe 50, 75 pounds, but it is extremely strong, and there's no doubt in my mind that this thing could last decades. In any case, if you're interested in building one like this, or maybe exactly like this, I will be leaving all the resources I used in the project down in the description below, including the bill of materials, so you can see exactly what I used to make this thing and how much that all costs, as well as cut lists, so you can see how I cut the lumber for maximum yield. And lastly, the SketchUp design file that I used to design this bed frame. I'll leave that down in the description as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.